The former president, Robert Mugabe, once described gays and lesbians as Western pigs and dogs. Do these people have space in a new government?
Look, here's the thing that is sometimes troubling about the way we approach difficult issues like this. We fail to understand that when it comes to citizenship, everyone has rights. Everyone, as a citizen, as constitutionally defined, everybody has rights. And you can't pick and choose when it comes to that. Even a criminal has rights. So here is my approach. There are things that I don't agree with personally. There are things that we may not agree with culturally. There are things that may be abhorrent to us as Zimbabweans and so on. And certainly every country and every culture has a right to define what's acceptable to it and what is not, right? But if you look at the rights that we currently have in our constitution, and for me those are what I'm going by, we must protect the rights of every Zimbabwean, which is actually outlined in our constitution.
So it means they will have space to do what they want in your government because it is their right to do so.
No. You're putting words in my mouth.
No, I'm asking you. That's why we are still here.
I say that we have a responsibility as a government to protect the constitutional rights of every Zimbabwean. You do. And whatever those rights are, which are in your constitution, you have a right. You absolutely have a duty to protect them.